Mr. President has no respect for the National Assembly. We must say it, and that's the painful part. Our resolutions don't mean anything. Our bills that are passed are not assented to. The more you say it, the more annoying it is to the president. He will never change them. Therefore, Mr. President, please, I want us to have a cursory look at Section 143. Section 143 is not about removal of Mr. President. There are certain actions that the National Assembly can take. I am not saying the president must be removed. No, it will be premature. But let us take a resolution signed by 1/3 of us, of members of the National Assembly, and sent to him. That again, we are not prodding him, we are compelling him. That, Mr. President, we want to inundate you with the insecurity in this country. In my position, I'm not asking for his impeachment. I'm asking that he be compelled.
Is Mr. President waiting for us to bring a formal motion to the floor of this House to say we've passed a vote of no confidence? Is that what they are waiting for?
We should sit down within ourselves and say it as it is and take appropriate actions. Mr. President, if you have any problem with that, allow the Senate to do it. We understand your position. You're in a difficult position. But let me tell you, Mr. President, God will ask you. Wallahi. This is not the end. The Constitution is clear. It did not limit what we can do.
We must call the attention of our president. We voted for him. Nigerians voted for him, to the fact that we are consistently, as a government, failing in our responsibility under Section 14(2)(b). There should be a specific resolution in that one. It's a constitution. All of us here, just like our colleague earlier today, swore to uphold the Constitution.
The presidency is not an award. It's a call to duty. And when you call a man to duty, he must be dutiful enough to know when the buck stops on his table. And right now, Mr. President, the buck, as far as security is concerned, stops squarely on the table of Mr. President. This government has failed all of us. There is no doubt about that. If we decide that government must do something before we will produce the budget, I am sure they will be up and doing.
Since Friday, over 300 children have been moved. Then we have security people who are just collecting money and building big houses in Abuja. And then we say that we can only pay lip service. And then we say we are representing the people who are not representing them. We must address this issue the way it is.
The level at which people are killed, I think we need to rethink on how to make the security architecture responsive to the security challenges of today.